Good morning, everyone.
Meow meow nigga.
All right, all right. How are you guys doing? Ah, it's tough, right? Very tough. Yeah, it's like roller coaster every day. No, it's not even every day. Like every hour, every hour is a roller coaster, right? Um, you guys all know that the suddenly yesterday, Donald Trump announced that uh, he had a good talk with Iran and they're gonna ceasefire for 5 days. I mean, they postponed. He said that they postponed it to their like furious firing plan. That he mentioned suddenly a couple of days ago. So I thought that wow, this is gonna be really good times coming. Yeah, market reacted a lot, and then Iran announced right away that no, that's complete lie. We didn't have any chat with them, and yeah, a lot of roller coaster happened right away. It's crazy. Hello, whose mic is on? Oh, you can say hi. Just don't turn off your mic right away. Hibe, hello Hibe. How's it going? Are you hanging on? Well, is it Hibe or Hibe? I don't know. Okay. So the market is terrible, and political situation is also even terrible, and the world peace is shattered. But we're still building. That's the most important things, right? All right. So let's start. Let's start Brickside Test 69. I remember some people really loved this number before. I hoped that people could be on today. Then it's got much more fun Brickside Test, but unfortunately, yeah. So today, wow, it's like a kind of small number, huh? Like a small number of people gathered. Like that shows how markets is going on, base is going on, crypto going on. Yeah, very quiet nowadays. Oh, hi Tomo. Wow, it's been a long time to see you. Everyone, Tomo's here. Hi Tomo. Yo yo yo.
See.
Yeah. We couldn't see you last time. So yeah, we miss you so much. Okay, let's talk a little bit about the new Hunttown Discord. Some people thought that like, oh my god, is my Discord hacked or something happened? Yeah, because we downsized a lot of channels, right? Like literally the channels got diet, huge diet on, right? I mean, we had numerous feedbacks before, like, oh, Hunttown Discord is great, but to be honest, it's very complicated to get along with, especially for newbies, because there are too many channels, too many commands to use. So we decided to trim them out, make it very simple as much as possible so that just people can gather around in a launch channel. It doesn't need to have any secret channels. So that's kind of purposefully restructuring the channels. And also, we removed lots of comments, right? Because comments are, I don't know, commands sometimes is a very convenient to use, but obviously that's also huge barriers for newbies, right? So we did not. Oh, sorry. By the way, sorry. Hold on, hold on. Sorry, some noise. It's okay. Um, Mr. Barn, yeah, first thought that my Wi-Fi network was working. Yeah, many people said that too. So for successfully restructured, so I think it's quite tidy now. So let's see. So first of all, yeah, Megaphone still alive. Yeah. Anyone who owns over three main buildings can just post something here to kind of shout out. not just for Hunt Team core members, right? Anyone who has 3+ buildings, they can shout here. And launch channel, most important channel, we all chat here, right? You guys know. New channel, trend. This is a new channel. Like we wanted to have kind of sharing some newses here, or something that to be shared with other builders. Like for example, I'm not sure how many people know about this, but the Sebayaki is running open news. You can even see from IT Forecaster app, open news. Maybe here, AC. No, that's Asian cast. News 800. 800. I don't know. Can anyone know that the can anyone know the link? Open news link. It's a very difficult link. Yeah. Anyways, that made open news where anyone can share some news by agent or by human, whatever. Yes, this one. Yeah, news dot 800 that works. Very difficult domain to remember. And he connected some bot to share some of the good news from here to our trend channel. So that's the one, right? Actually, the quality is quite good, but look at this, like, oh, Revolut nailed it. Wow, 2.3 billion profit, even during this bear market. Good job, Revolut. Maybe many people sold out and then they got profit. I mean, Revolut got profit whenever people sold out. And also, I have my own Discord channel called Agent OS. I have 4 AI agents or work for me. And there's one AI called T7. T7 regularly shares some trend briefing 2 times a day. So I share this to Haunted Town too. So whenever you guys see this, yeah, this is from one of my agents called T7. But T7's trend briefing for me is highly focusing on my project. So you may see sometimes talking about this is meaningful information for Dropcast. And if I didn't truncate and I just copy and paste right over here, then you see that it's kind of confusing, right? So please understand that that's kind of designed for me. But I think T7 works really well for picking some important news for all of us. So I think it's very meaningful to share. Like for example, today's trend briefing was this. Big Morning. He loves to kind of define today. Like it was like a lot of big news were very quiet, like sort of like that. I don't know. It's kind of funny. I put him kind of soul like that. So Claude just went full desktop agent and the Anthropic Insider dropped the origin story for everything we're building on top of. Very dramatic, right? So I'm sure that the Claude computer is quite shocking news for AI agent, right? Because have you guys heard about this Claude computer? Anyone heard about Claude Dispatch last week? Oh, hi, King Modesser. Good to see you back. So Claude Dispatch last week they suddenly launched. So Claude Dispatch was about like you can control your local computer only through the terminal and the Chrome web browser. That was Claude Dispatch last week. And yesterday, Claude Computer is launched, which is like literally controlling everything of your computer. Claude can open some app, do some actions, read email, even make some slide for you, like PowerPoint or whatever. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. Literally, Claude is trying to make like enable for you to have OpenClaw like agents for your local computer, I guess, without any setting. I mean, to set up OpenClaw is quite complicated, right? But any Claude users, they can just install Claude Mac app, and then they can just do utilize this feature right away. Yeah, that was pretty amazing news. So yeah, this is kind of the like twice a day marketing brief by trend brief by one of my agents. Yeah. But you guys can also share some meaningful news here. So this opens for everyone. Okay. Builder projects alive. Yeah. But builder's profile we removed because many of the profiles were meaningless, to be honest. And most importantly, Discord has their own uh, profile feature, right? Like this. Many of them has already their own profile on Discord. So actually, we didn't need to have our own profile content. It's kind of just duplication. So yeah, so that's why we removed builder profile. Uh, this private club still alive, builder house. So anyone who has 10 plus, I think, 10 plus buildings, mini buildings, can have access to builder house. So verify more building, then you will have this private room support. Uh, court is also exist. So yeah, these are our new channels. Any feedback so far? Do you guys like it, or it sucks, or don't know any opinion about it? Why most all people don't join? Oh, today, yeah, yeah, not many people compared to other times because I think it's okay. Let's talk about this. I think Farcaster, Farcaster is getting really quiet. Far worse than you think. Yeah, let me show you data. Actually, I have a photo that I posted before in the launch chat. Is it? Not here? Okay. Maybe here? Yep. This is Farcaster DAU. Okay, I'll share this to launch. Farcaster is really dying. And as you guys know, many of Hunttown builders came from Farcaster. So that's pretty much related. So I think they just left. They just left Web3 scene. They just left the social Web3 or crypto, whatever. I think they just gave up left. I think. So yeah, unfortunately, Farcaster is downsizing. No, they're not downsizing. Just users' activities getting kind of yeah, it's decreasing a lot. But I think that also has some kind of benefits. Like surprisingly, many bots or spammers left too. So when you see Farcaster nowadays, the the timeline is quite, I don't know, I feel clean. How do I say it? Yeah. Suddenly I can see many of my friends or the builders that I used to know, their posts a lot. To be honest, like last month, like a month ago, when there are a lot of spammers and bots accounts in Farcaster, they attacked my timeline too. Like I could not be able to even see my friends' post. But now, yeah, I can see their post more. So yeah, which is good, right? I know many Farcaster in Iran. Really? I don't think so. I mean, are you saying that the many of the Farcaster are Iranians, or they physically are in Iran? I hope that you guys are safe. Like nobody likes war, obviously. We hate war. Hopefully you guys are all safe. But yeah, I don't think there are many Iranians in this Farcaster space. It's just getting very quiet. So I think that's one of the reasons. Yeah. Wait, you cannot hear my voice? Can you guys hear my voice? Can you hear me? Okay. Rich Boston, are you? You should be in the radio channel. Are you in the radio channel? I can see you. You're in the radio channel. Yeah. All right. And the most important news, one of the most important news is that you guys know weekly raffle changed to the what? Weekly MVP. Where is it? Weekly MVP. Oh, can anyone can anyone search that post and then share, please? Sorry, I had to search in advance before this brief session. I forgot. So we changed the weekly raffle to weekly MVP system. So basically same like weekly raffle, one main building you can get, but before it was just like you have to purchase raffle tickets and then what? It's all based on the luck, random luck. I mean, so lottery system sometimes very fun, but the one of the biggest problems were I don't know, whale issue, I guess. Like, people who had a lot of bid points, they can just keep purchasing raffle tickets. Then, small takers cannot get any more chances to get raffle. That's kind of probably one of the problems, I guess. Is it a problem? I mean, it's kind of designed for that way. And there are a lot of actually good whales too. Like, they could use all of their build point, to be honest. Then obviously not many people can enjoy the chances, so they also kind of had to limit for their usages for good. Oh, what a good people, right? But anyway, so this definitely is system flaw. So we think that that's not good system to reward active members. So we decided to be, oh, here, okay. Yeah, so yeah, first MVP was urban, right? This one. So what it happened is that we're building Hunchtown AI system, and this is one of the features that we're building. Hunchtown AI is actually watching you guys. Yeah, he's indexing entire activities from you in this Discord space. So that AI literally watching you, and then he or she, I don't know. Do you have to say it? I don't know. So it has some criteria scoring, and then it choose. It's, let's just say he. Sorry. Okay. So he choose three top people first, and then choose eventually one of them. So basically, the thing is, the team does not affect at all. Really, no algorithm, no backdoor. Only AI. Huntertown AI choose the weekly best MVP. So the next one is coming tomorrow, right? So tomorrow will be the second week MVP, right? I don't know the criteria, but the AI, the thing is like the AI is watching you guys. I think the launch channel or trend channel, those like public channels are most important probably for the AI to watch you guys. So uh, the AI is really trying to choose the MVP based on not just the booming of the messages. I think the AI thinks more interactions. So if a builder who have lots of interactions and give more values to this community, I guess that's the best criteria for the AI can think. All right. So good luck tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow is second week of MVP system. Um, and we are still working on new AI intern to be here. Like some people think that the Loja is AI, but apparently Loja was not AI. Loja is actual person. Yeah. But someone like Loja, like actual AI intern that we're preparing, as soon as it's ready, that AI intern will be introduced to Hunchtown as one of the builders. So he's gonna work like a real builder, right? He's just your fellow builder. He's not like like admin bot or whatever, sort of like that. He's just literally AI intern. You can have lots of fun thing with him. Believe me. So it's coming. Does the AI see my streaks or does it only watch my chat? I think the AI see a lot of data, not just for the chats. Yeah, probably streak too. Uh, all right. today we don't have any project showcase, so I was gonna just do some discussions topics I prepared a little bit. So let's move on to that. A little bit depressing topic actually. You guys, you guys realize that many good services or apps are sunsetting nowadays. Very sad, right? For example, uh, oops, sorry. Where is it? Okay. For example, no, no, Surge saying goodbye. Very shocking. This was the one of the best apps in Farcaster, to be honest. Yeah, and they are saying goodbye. Um, for people who did not know what Surge about, Surge was like they get your permissions to kind of click like or request whatever like that, and then any host can launch a campaign to get some to buy the likes and request I think, and then they do all automatic jobs for that. It was pretty cool because lots of kind of what can I say, the famous accounts in Farcaster, they many of them were using search. So if anyone who wanted to purchase their attention, they used to use search a lot. But to as they say, yeah, it's not profitable business at all. So they are shutting down. Yeah. Another one I noticed, Clancomon. That was also one of the famous services in Farcaster, right? They also they are also sunsetting. It's very depressing. Um, but I guess I understand. Like business can fail, especially if Farcaster, like there are not many active users. Like yesterday, the DAU of Farcaster, like active FID, was just like 10,000. So obviously it's not really real number to run some profitable business, right? So I can understand definitely. There are some but shocking news too. Did you guys see this? Balancer? Oh my god. This used to be one of the biggest DeFi platforms, right? Still a lot of funds are using their protocol. They announced winding down. $128 million DeFi exploiting is expecting now. Jesus Christ. This is really big. So yeah, there are a lot of kind of okay sunsetting and not okay sunsetting, right? I think this, I don't know, this is kind of controversial because uh, first of all, DeFi supposed to be decentralized. So to be honest, if Balancer company itself shutting down, still the DeFi protocol should be able to running up and running. That's the key concept. But when we see this kind of stuff, actually the reality is not like that. So I don't know. That's kind of one of the key issues that Web3 need to solve. DeFi protocol should be able to run just itself without the service provider, but still it's not working like that as designed. Yeah. Um, Also, I don't know. Have you guys ever used faster task here? Uh, Dylan has opinion. In crypto project, come shot, but I'm watching Mint Club since 2021. It's working and running till now. Thank you. To be honest, Mint Club is not getting any money for the company. Just we just like keep trying. By hoping that the parents-child token model become kind of mainstream. I don't know. We're hanging on. But yeah, have you guys heard about faster task? This used to be kind of big a month ago, I guess, like 2 months ago. It was in a top chart all the time. Uh, Apparently, they shut down without any notice. like their app is not openable. As you can see, it's not working. They even have their own token. They launched their token like 2 months ago. I remember. It's called Faster Task. Let's see, Faster Task. Faster Task. Oh, it's not searchable. Oh, there is definitely their own token. And I remember that even 3 weeks ago they sold out NFT. I think I don't know they sold out or they made some NFT by using their own token to mint. I don't know. But anyway, there were NFT system for I don't know in relation to their account subscriptions. I think. Yeah, and then shockingly their app's not working. So people are panicked. Is it shutting down or are you guys gonna get back? I don't know. So yeah, no matter what, like they are actually really shut down or not, just no zero communication about it is definitely not good examples. That's why I wanted to mention about it. Yeah. Uh, I don't know. It's very sad. Do anyone who also know about other apps they kind of shutting down to share? Who else? Who else is shutting down? Oh yeah, Brecky. Brecky also was one of the best project in markets, right? They also had a token. Uh, Brecky token, I think. Yeah, they are shutting down too. They already shut down, right? They already stopped the business. Yeah, Brecky. Who else? One of the big NFT platform actually shutting down. Oh yeah, POAP. You know, POAP actually is a company. They run the POAP protocol. They are shutting down too. Yeah, it's shocking news too. They said that this is not really profitable business. Oh yeah, probably yeah. So they're shutting down. Uh, so yeah, we're definitely in a crypto winter, Web3 winter. Like loads of services are sunsetting. Um, they, I mean, you're gonna see more probably this over the like following months, I guess. Uh, but I don't know. Market always up and down. I experienced crypto winter so far. This is my third crypto winter, I think. Yeah, third one, third time. And always back something with stronger services, to be honest. So I don't know. I hope that the Web3 won't die eventually. So if Web3 is not gonna die, then obviously there's a bottom and then rising pattern. So we really hope that upside is coming later. And no more hearing about the sunsetting news from a good uh, project, to be honest. What do you think crypto will again come like in was 2020? I don't know. I hope personally the crypto summer will be back. I hope that. But if I know the future, I won't be worrying much about my daily life, right? Like I have to worry a lot about the oil price here is crazy. Yeah, I really nervous about it. Uh, so if I can see the future, yeah, I don't need to worry about this kind of shit, right? Yeah. Clarity Bill, I heard that there are lots of uh, bright side and dark side about it too. So um, yeah, only Trump. Seems like there's someone who are definitely connected to Trump government knows some future, right? Did you guys heard about it? Like so yesterday, uh, like 20 minutes before Trump announced about like 5 days postponing of their fire missiles, market suddenly became really hot. Somebody started to purchase a lot of futures of the some commodity, oil commodity and stuff like future market, and and then yeah, Trump announced it, and oil prices like suddenly decreased over 20% something. So short position obviously had a lot of profit, right? Uh, I don't know. Is it coincidence or actually connected to Trump? I don't know. Yeah, that could be the market manipulation. Who knows? Who knows the truth? If I know the truth, yeah, I would not be here. Yeah, I don't know the truth too. Huh. Okay. I also wanna share about my my agentic workflow. Some people. Uh, oh wait. Huh. Did I just notice that Farcaster changed the layout? This used to be my profile here, right? Now it became update. Wow. I didn't know this. Farcaster update. Haha. Okay. I just found out that. All right. So now this is my profile. Okay. Yeah. I funny thing. When you do more vibe coding, you kind of stop saying vibe coding. I don't know. Yeah, I don't use that word anymore much because uh, vibe coding used to be a word for non-developer kind of defensively use types of a word. I mean, what I mean, like, let's think about last year, uh, when people start to do vibe coding from non-developer backgrounds, right? They don't know what's going on, but they kind of make something. Obviously, that app doesn't work properly, and then use that vibe coding narrative as a defense mode, like, oh, I'm non-developer, I just vibe coded, please understand. Yeah, I did that too, right? But nowadays, AI improvement is remarkable. I don't use that vibe coding narrative anymore. It shows that how much now non-developer can make uh, exact same quality of just developer make. We're living in that era. So, oh, hello, Skipper. Just want to share my current project code. Oh, okay. Yeah, let's talk about this first. You wanna introduce yourself about it, Skipper, by turning on your mic? You cannot talk. Okay. Then maybe next time you can apply. Actually, there's no project showcase application anymore. So if you're ready to use your voice next time, and then you can just raise your hand, wanna quickly introduce about your new thing, and then you can just turn on your mic. Okay, maybe you can prepare for that. Okay, yeah, someone's sleeping. What was I talking about? Yeah, so my agentic workflow. Yeah, so yeah, nowadays AI quality is impressive. Whatever they can make. And I personally is using my own AI workflow, and I believe that the quality is remarkable. To be honest, I still don't understand my code. I'm still non-developer, same. But whatever the product that I make is working pretty well. So that's why I'm not using the vibe coding narrative anymore. And I'm gonna introduce a little bit about my workflow. So, as I mentioned before, whenever I develop something, I usually run four agents. Uh, it's actually explained in this post when you guys click to see. I have one team head. I call that agent as T1. Boring, yeah. So I put T1 team head, and I have two reviewer, T2A, T2B. Wow, pretty boring naming. I just realized it. These are kind of reviewer. And T3, what? So boring naming. T3 is my full stack dev. So I usually have 4 agents system to code something. Um, let me show you something actually pretty important. Where is it? Come the P. Tap in it. Okay, here. So as you guys can see, oh sorry, I'm gonna just show this part. Yeah, I have some kind of already defined my agent workflow like this. So for example, T1, as I say, team head, he has his own rule what to do, and T2 reviewer. So I say T2A, T2B, and T3 implementer, like full stack developer. So I usually have this kind of system. And I have also T7. You saw that T7 is like mostly marketer. So what do they do? I assigned team lead, so which is T1. Like I need to do this. Blah blah blah. I really try to be in details as much as possible. Then T1 makes each ticket on GitHub, a very detailed way, and then assign to T3, which is full stack developer, and then he develops right by using those GitHub issues kind of descriptions, and then request review for T2A and T2B. Both have to approve. Either of them doesn't approve, or even none of them approve. T3 have to keep changing. So I put some multimodal system like T3 is Opus 4.6 and T2A is usually GPT of 5.4 and T2B also Opus 4.6 or sometimes I use Composer too. So it's like different model is very important to use among those reviewers. And then whenever they want to request change something, then it goes to T3. I'll show you a little example actually. Okay, maybe I can show this one. Called agent memory. That's kind of one of the projects that I'm building. I'm kind of making some kind of like central memory system for all different agents. And then when you see, it's like these are all made from T1. T1 creates this kind of ticket, as you can see, and then assigned using this ticket to T3, and T3 developed, and T3 have to make PR like this, see, and then look, T2B approve, T2A didn't approve. Oh no, T2A approved too. Yeah, so they need to get both approved. Then and T3 toast this to T1. Oh, this is both approved, so you can merge now. Yeah, so this is my workflow usually, which looks quite simple, right? This is how usually actual developer works, I think, in a team. Like team head usually assign some task, right? And then the junior developer actually do code and then issue PR, which is what pull request, yeah, PR, and then the senior developer also check about the quality of this, and then if senior developer thinks this is good, and then the senior developer merge to main. That's kind of their usual work system. I just mimicked it, and it works. It works really great. So I've done this workflow for a long time. Dropcast, this one, is fully made from this workflow. And as you guys can see, Dropcast is quite big project, to be honest. I mean, it has a lot of users. Wow, 7.1K now. I don't know. Nowadays, suddenly lots of users influx in Dropcast. So yeah, there are many users. There are actually many active users too. More active users means more maintenance, to be honest, for you to do. This is really highly architecture required project, I think. But I made this all by using just this simple workflow. Uh, I I use GitHub as a single uh, source of truth. I think that's called SSOT, single source of truth. And T1 always make a ticket, assign to T3, T3 build it, and then make a PR, toast to the T2A and T2B, which is reviewer, and then they do code reviews, and then they both have to approve, and then merge to main. That's simple workflow. And I wanted to make it this kind of fully automated. That's what I made for agent chatter. So there's a solution called agent chatter. I think you can just go to GitHub. Sorry, GitHub agent chatter. Must be this one because yeah, a lot of stars. Yeah, this one. Is it called agent chatter? So agent chatter is a solution that you can actually let multiple local agents can chat like this. That's the key of the agent chatter. I found this solution and oh my god, this is what exactly I need because I need to automate this flow. I need T1 and T2A, T2B, and T3 can talk each other. Then I don't need to keep tossing around between these agents. So this is what I made. Oh, Dylan, this Dropcast is big, but I missed that we can use it for mini app interactions, which is another level. I don't think it's useful for me to do because even current version of Dropcast, to be honest, requires a lot of cost. I'm paying a lot of Versal, Supabase, lots of subscription cost. If I expand my logic to mini app interactions, that I need more tech stacks and maintenance. I don't know. I'm not sure if I can do that, to be honest. But Dylan, you can make it. Why don't you make? Yeah, you can make your own Dropcast. Please don't use Dropcast name and design IP. That's my copyrighted asset. But you can make Dylancast. Make Dylancast. Yeah. I know. Making is actually quite easier nowadays. Marketing is more important. So building is something like heavily involved in marketing nowadays. Back to 5 years ago, when you launch some project, actually launching stage is the most resources inputting, right? And then after launch, the marketing was kind of, I don't know, well formatted. Nowadays, anyone can build something. So building stage is not much important anymore. Actually, launching and marketing is more important. Yeah. Yeah, Dylan Cast sounds good. Dylan, you should make Dylan Cast. Anyway, so I use agent chatter now, and then how does the agent chat you works? So each agent that I'm running on local, they have their own terminal like this, and then it's connected with the MCP server. So agent chatter is kind of hub using MCP to connect all of these terminal agents. So they just get the message from this MCP server, and then they can chat back here. So this is how it works. So what I nowadays do, whenever I come up with kind of new idea, it takes ages for me to develop. Like I make kind of more than 2,000 lines of the markdown file or proposal or with some agent. So that's my first step. I keep developing ideations and make a complete proposal. And then I toast to T1 to make phases. Like phases means like phase one, phase zero, have to operator need to do this, and phase one building this part, phase two this part, phase three this part, and in each phase has master ticket, what I call master ticket is kind of big chunk of work. And then based on that master ticket, I made a lot of sub tickets by connecting to the master tickets. And then what I do, I toast to this agent chair agents. I just ask T1, these are queue. You start from this ticket, this ticket, this ticket, this ticket, this ticket, and then stop at the operator getter ticket. Then T1 remember that queue, and then it runs automatically. Toast to T3, review T2, merge by T1, and then toast next ticket to T3, and then review, merge. This cycle is fully automated now. Wow, that maintains the quality, same quality, compared to what I used to do all by my hand, right? Like I keep toasting around between agent window. Maintaining same quality, but the speed of implementation is like 10x, really. Why even I'm talking to you guys, my agents are working because I made some queue already before starting my Brickside chat. So yeah, I'm chatting with you guys, but my these agents are still working with queue. So and I utilize this so many ways. Like I usually make 10 to 15 tickets that can be automated queue before I go to bed, and then I just ask my agent to work on that overnight. So I'll show you some hilarious one. Uh, where is it? Hey, overnight, overnight queue. There it is. Sorry, I should hide something. My key maybe in there. So, uh, ah, okay. So, sorry. Can you guys still see right? I have overnight queue MD file. So I put up all the queue here, and then I just toast to T1. So yeah, this is today's batch. You start from this, and then go to this. So I just toast it. Even the name is the overnight queue. Because I usually toast them to T1 before I sleep. So I toast them and then they just work on that over the night. And then in the morning, I just check their works, the merged PRs. Yeah. Uh, so yeah, I wanted to talk about my agent workflow. Are anyone who want to share your agent workflow too? It would be cool, like how you work with agents nowadays. To be honest, Tomo is probably far more advanced level than me. Uh, he may be something to share with us. I saw that Tomo also use some like replica of himself, like Tomo AI Tomo. Uh, he's pretty amazing. Maybe he can share about that experience if yeah AI Tomo. He was even he mimics Tomo's actual personality. So he talks like Tomo, he thinks like Tomo. Sometimes he's struggling like Tomo. It was pretty impressive to see the AI. Copy pasta version of me, yeah. Copy paste version of me, yeah, yeah. He really did. Uh, do you also have some other something new that you want to share about Tomo? Like what's new? Lots of people typing. Dylan's is using mostly Claude, Gemini, and some other AI tools. Rich. Oh yeah, sounds rich, like multimodals. Rich. nowadays I'm using mostly Claude. Uh, I don't use Google Gemini anymore. Uh, I use GPT 5.4 just as a model, so I use Codex terminal, the Codex CLI, uh, but mostly Claude. Yeah. Jaybird says Claude is the king. Yeah, I agree. Dylan, believe me, not just you. Probably all of us here, we're getting poor because of him. So it's not just you. Don't worry. We're the same. Just waiting for day. Undefined Seb and Tomo will host Brickside chat together. Ah, okay. Yeah, I hope so. Brickside chat used to be more kind of rotating system. Like I host like this, and then so-called young boys host. That was pretty fun. Okay, so yeah, that's it. That's it. So what I wanted to say to emphasize actually, um, I think we're entering quite good era for builder. Like, is it? I believe that it's really entering builder economy. Like, everyone should become a founder. That's the key. That's the key opinion for me. Like for me to make all those services, so far I had to depend. I completely dependent on developer, right? Because I'm not a developer. But nowadays, more important part is marketing, reaching your users for the area where most be non-developer were stronger. Do you understand my point? So 5 years ago, 4 years ago, developer had the power a lot because we have to make something to do, right? And they are the one who makes. Now we make. Anyone can make. Then the key part is marketing, not developing anymore. So when you think positively, this whole era is going to be very favorable for non-developers. I'm sorry for developers here, but yeah, that's true. It's getting very green light for non-developers. I don't know. That's what I felt nowadays. Life requires creativity. Huh, I agree. Yeah. All power to Sebak, Undefined, and Tomo, and now even P7 can make just not front end. Yeah. Oh, opposite things happen too. Like, so my main role is designer, right? So I used to have the key, but at some point, Tomo's design is way better than my design. So I don't design anymore. That happened really. That really happened. So whenever Tomo like try to make something, and then like Tomo say like maybe P7 you need to design this, and then I kind of reluctant to design because I don't know, your design is better than mine. What do you ask me to do? Oh wow, so the AI clone of me, I removed him recently because he started to be stubborn and argued me thinking he's better. Yeah, even this level to make is quite impressive, Tomo. So I shifted into I only communicate with Tara. Oh, new person, a new AI, Tara. Huh. Oh, lots of name. Tara, Jarvis. So Tara is okay. Let me get this image to yeah here. Okay. All right. So Tara is ADHD coach for some. Jarvis, CEO and orchestrator. Okay. The for sure the fact is that the Tomo's naming skill is way better than me, right? Mine was so boring. T1, T2, T3. Oh my god, soulless, right? Wow. Tomo's one has a lot of soul inside. Uh, Scout. Huh, what is Scout? Research plus analyst. Okay. Scribe. Contents PM design. Wow. Clip. Oh, media editing. That's why clip. Okay. Grinder. Automation plus deploy. Cool. Arc. Front, back, QA. Okay, so these are kind of boring version of naming. This is the core, right? Tara and Jarvis. Uh, took me 2 hours to name. Okay, that's the key differences with me. I just, I'm terrible at doing something actively. Like I feel really bored easily. So I don't put much time of those jobs usually. Like naming something or I don't know. I'm pretty lazy for that. All right. Oh, King Mo Desert. How do I call you, King Mo Desert? Anyway, there's a sad things to share today. Actually, uh, Poa NFT is sunsetting. Really? Oh my god. Yeah, we decided to sunset POAP NFT. There are multiple reasons, but the biggest reason is that to be honest, operating POAP NFT was the biggest barrier of Brickside Chat, especially for newbies. And there are lots of reasons too. Like POAP NFT is quite complicated to join the raffle. I have to have a gas fee. Have to mint something, and then I mean it's pretty much fun for many people. But when it comes to thinking about newbies, it's pretty difficult, right? So yeah, we decided to sunset POAP NFT, and we're gonna make new system. What I meant is that we're not removing the 10 mini building rewards for Brickside Tab. Yeah, we're not removing that. I'm talking about POAP NFT based raffle. So we're removing that. Uh, but we're building something. Not this week, uh, uh, unfortunately. So today we have to do manually. So let's do raffle now. So what I'm gonna do, I prepared Google form. When you open the Google form, yeah, you have to put the username, your wallet address, very important because you're gonna receive the reward from this wallet address if you get chosen for the raffle today, right? And this is a question to check you were listening to this preset tip really, or you're just like turning on the screen or whatever, just waiting for the raffle. So what was the solution P7 mentioned he's using for agent orchestration? Close quote, GPD Codex 5.4, agent chatter, agent team, agent orc 5.2. You have to choose right answer. And I'm gonna filter only people who got right answer of this and then run the raffle. Fair? Sounds fair? Yeah? No POAP minting. POAP NFT is gone. We're not gonna use POAP NFT anymore. I feel like Vaidik Verma, it was not listening. Guys, do not share the answer here. Do not. I'm gonna kick you out if you share the answer here. Okay? Do not share the answer here. Who cannot make the right answer is not gonna be on today's POAP. Okay? All right. I'm gonna start timer. 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute and a half. All right, 1 minute and a half. After this, we're gonna run the raffle. Oh no, okay. Actually, we don't have POAP time, so let's say 3 minutes. Yeah. So after 3 minutes, we're gonna run the raffle. Okay. Oh, okay. That's good point. Okay, let me search. Let me search it. Dun, dun, dun. From user project 7. Okay, I found it and I am deleting. Yep, I deleted. Thanks much. I deleted my message. Yeah. Oh, the website doesn't work? Really? It is working. People, already 21 people submitted. Uh, is there any problem, other people? Can you double check? Did you go to the right format? Google Form link? Is this one? Google Form? What problem is it? Check this one. I don't know. I tested even with incognito, and it worked. Let me double check. Incognito project 7. It is completely working. Project 7, and my wallet is this. Yeah, it's working. And then I'm not gonna show this answer and submit. Yeah, it worked. I just tested. I don't know. Yeah. It seems like not having any technical issues. I mean, I'm not service operator of Google Forms, so whatever happened is not my hand. All right. All right. 28 seconds left. 25 seconds left. Oh, it works now. Yay! Congratulations. Okay. 32 people submitted so far. I'm gonna really cut. All right. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Okay, what I'm gonna do. Response. Oh, how do I turn on? Turn off. Do you guys know how to turn off this? Response here? No. Here? Okay. They changed the. Oh, accepting responses. Okay. Yeah. All right. It's done. Done. All right. Then let's link to Google Sheet. Guys, what was the right answer? Now you can type the right answer. English listening issue. Okay. No, it was not Claude. I mentioned that word a lot. Yeah, agent chatter. Oh my god. Filter. How do I filter? Number. Filter column. Oh, here. Okay. Clear agent chatter. What? No way. Just 11 people? Are you kidding me? No. But okay, let's remove me. Then still 10 people. Then there's no point of the running the raffle. So, except for me. So except for plus 7, because I don't need this. 10 people. We did the raffle. Congratulations. Woohoo! Wow. So today we don't need raffle. These 10 people are the raffle winner today. For bricks side
Hey guys,
chat.
what's going on?
69. Oh, this is hilarious. It's really 10 people, right? I'm double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Wow. No raffle. No spin of the wheel required today. So yeah, this is why. Oh my god. Only 10 people were listening to this session? Really? Actually, I'm getting sad. I'm gonna be crying. I'm gonna be really crying. No, you listened? Okay. I mentioned agent chatter. Even I shared the link. I mentioned agent chatter like more than 10 times intentionally because there was the question today. I said. But anyway, yeah, this was funny.
Meow meow
Yeah.
nigga.
And next week, 2 weeks later, so Brickside Chat 70 will come with the new raffle system. But again, unfortunately, we're not gonna use POAP NFT anymore. So you're gonna meet new raffle system, and I hope that probably next Brickside Chat we already met new AI intern probably, then it's gonna be more fun Brick Chat I think. All right. Jackie said, honestly, I thought you were talking cheese. Okay, sorry, Jackie. That's hilarious. But next time, and don't miss tomorrow's MVP. AI will choose MVP for over the week. So I hope that you can win. Really. All right. So it was pretty fun Brickside Chat today, I guess. All with 32 people. Good job. Yeah, I think this is actually quite good number. It's very cozy. Not much noise. It was good to see you guys today. Brickside Chat 69. And I'll see you at Brickside Chat 70 in 2 weeks' time. All right. Have a great day, great evening, great night, and wonderful time, wonderful building. All right. Bye bye.